welcome to Lake Ano. Alright, so enjoy it. This is one of the places that I suggest to go to if you guys are in Virginia. It's further down south, but it's beautiful. As you can tell, everyone's here with their families, just hanging, playing in the sand. My son himself is playing in the sand and in a boat right there. Right, Papash? Whoa! So we'll be right back. We'll check it out. But this is the beach. It's a little beach that they have here at Lake Ano, but there's more to see. Just give us a view. Yeah. All right.
I coming to rescue.
You're coming to the rescue?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to the boat.
All right, guys, you saw Lake Ano is beautiful. I know it's a little short clip, but hey, it's Lake Ano. So come visit, do bring your family, and just enjoy your time, have fun, as I will too. Come on, Liam, let's go. Yay! Come on, Papash. Let's go. Say hi, guys. Come on, let's put it in the water. Hurry, hurry.